handy for, happy about, with, happy for, harmful to, helpful to, honest about, honest with, hopeful of, about, hopeless at, hungry for, ideal for, identical to, with, ignorant of, about, ill with, impatient at, impatient with, important to, for, impressed by, with, inadequate for, inadequate to, incapable of, independent of, indifferent to, inferior to, influential in, innocent of, intent on, interested in, invisible to, involved in, with, irritated at, by, with, jealous of, keen on, known for, late for, lenient with, towards, liable for, liable to, loyal to, made of, from, married to, missing from, modest about, native to, necessary for, nervous of, about, new to, noted for, notorious for,